Hi everyone, now let's talk about fstrings in Python. Fstrings was introduced in Python 3.6 and they got update in Python 3.8, and before fstrings we had classical percentage sign string formatting and format function string formatting. But fstring made string formatting really easy and readable. And then fstring did a really amazing job even do with number formatting, as well as now we can do a little bit of debugging with them, and then we can format the dates with them, and they do amazing job with the date formatting. So let's see all these things with the actions. So let's say now I have this string client website name, and I want to pass my client website name, that means this website value in this string. So how do I do that? So I don't want to hard code it. I want to get this string from this variable. So first I need to convert this string in a f string. So that's really easy. So to convert any string in a f string, I just need to write a small case letter f in front of that. So that strings is become a f strings. Now to pass any variable inside into it, I need to enclose that variable with a curly braces and then just write that variable and run the code. Oh, I did not run this, so nothing was there. So first let run this code. Now I have this variable in the memory. So this website variable now we have in the memory. So now again run this code. Now I got this part. So client website name is education revolution tech. Now we have this domain in the variable just over here. So let's pass this domain also over here. So first convert this string in a f string and pass domain. And we can not only pass these variable, but as well as we can do the functions call also in this f string. So let's call this upper function. So because I want to see this tag variable value in a uppercase letter. So let's run this string. Now if you look at, I got this tag value in a uppercase letter A. So what it did actually, it actually first ran whatever the function or method was there, then whatever the output it got, it convert that particular output in a string, and then it added that output in this string. So that's what whole process it followed. And then again the same way we can convert the multi-line strings also in a f string. So first write the f keyword in front of that, and then pass this rating variable, as this rating variable is there in the memory because we did it over here. Run the code. Now we have this rating variable. So now let's understand how to format the numbers with a f string. Now let's say I have this number and I want to see this number output in a string with just two decimal numbers. So let's do that. For that, just create a f string, pass this rating variable, and after that just write a colon, then write point, and then write the number whatever you want to see in the decimal output. So let's say I want to see the two decimal number output, write 2 and then write f, and make sure you don't leave any space after this colon. Let's run it. So as I mentioned this 2, so I got a 2 decimal output. So if I'll mention the 3, so I got a 3 decimal output. And remember this, whatever the output we are getting, this output is not a float number. Now this is a string number because f strings does a string formatting. And let's say I want to read this number, as this is a really big number, so we can make with the f string this number really readable. So write down this big number, then write colon, and then after this make a underscore, and then now I can easily read this number. So this number is $100 billion, about 535 million, somewhat about. And then let's say I want to pass this number with a comma separated value. So just replace it. Yeah, I got this part right now. And then let's say I want to see this number in an exponent form. That's also pretty easy. Write this big number, write this e. And then now I could see this number in exponent form. So now as we already know that we can pass a variable inside into this, and then we can do the calculations also with this. But now what do I want to do? I want to see, let's say this is the rating, I want to divide it by 2. I want to see this whole equation in the output also, so that will be really help me out while doing debugging. So what I'll do, I'll just make a space after this, write a equal to sign operator, then again, or I call it, this is the assignment operator in Python, not equal to sign operator, assignment operator, then again a space and run the code. So now if you look at in the output, it has given this all things. Now this thing in the output really make my debugging easy. And now let's say I have this date, and for this thing you need to have a understanding a datetime object and a bit about the strf and strp codes in Python for the reader documentation, and I have attached a video link in the video description that will give you a clarity about what is datetime object and how to get those codes. And if you want what are the code I'll write, let me know in the comments. I'll attach a uh, PDF file with that. So let's see that how can I make this date in a better formatted date. So let's say this is a date and right colon. So let's say, and I can do any kind of customization. That's the beauty of it. So let's say first I want to see what is the day of the week. So for that I'll write a percentage sign a. So that's another code. So now I got a day of the week, but now with day of the week I want to see the day, and for that better clarity I'll write this day as a date in bracket, then again colon, then now I want to see the month I want to write the month, then again colon, and then write a percentage sign y, and then I don't write because day will be really clear. Let's run the code. So now if you look at, so let me make bit this, yeah, first is the date, 11th is the month, and year is the 2021. So now this is giving me a customized readability of any date, and in any format you can make it out. So please check the separate video which I have created on datetime string formatting, so that will really give you a pretty good idea about what is it and how to execute that part. So thanks guys, bye bye. So thanks guys for watching this video, and please provide a positive feedback in the comment section. And let me know in the comments if you want me to create a new video on any specific topic. If you have learned something new, please like the video and subscribe this channel, as there will be some new video releases every week, and this will be a huge support for me.